loves, welcome back to Beauty by Rena. So today we are going to be doing a SheIn haul. I am going on a trip to Atlanta very soon. This video will probably be posted after I come back. I'm going on a weekend trip to Atlanta, so I purchased a few things from SheIn. We're going to a couple of places, so I bought multiple outfits just in case I want to spruce it up or change for whatever event that we're going to. I set a theme for the things that I purchased for this trip. Most of them are like neutrals, basically white, black, neutrals, and a little bit of green. I've been trying to stay affordable but also really cute, so SheIn was like the perfect site for me to go to find everything. I also got a couple of accessories from AliExpress, which I'll be including in this video. If you know me, you know I'm the affordable queen. Like, I have to, if I'm gonna buy something, it has to be a steal and it has to be really cute. Like, it's gonna be of quality, and the quantity is not gonna be all that high. So one day I just got like a random spur of inspiration just to change up my style a little bit, because I feel like I am now 23, and as I grow older I want to have a more mature style. Like, usually I'll just throw together pieces and whatever is cute and I'll wear it out, but now that I'm getting a little bit older, I would like to have like a little bit more neutral-ish, like mature style pieces, because I'm already a small girl, itty bitty petite girl with a big old head. So if I dress young, I will look as like way younger than I am, but I want to dress older so I can look a little bit more mature and more like my age. If you would like to know how I styled the outfits that I will be wearing on my Atlanta trip, or just like a couple pieces that I bought, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be sitting here just so I can show you guys like the clips of the outfits that I got and things of that nature on this side. I'm not sure, it's probably gonna be your left, my right, we gonna find out. The first piece that I got is this shirt right here. Basically it is a basic white tank top, long sleeve one. Since it is a fall weather, I wanted a long sleeve white tank top that I can just, not tank top, crop top that I can just throw on with any outfit, and it has like a lettuce cut at the bottom, which makes it easier to style. It's super cute with anything that I throw it on with. In this video I also paired it with a pair of corduroy pants. Now, I'm not a fan of like oversized jeans, just because like the waist of a lot of my jeans just don't fit me properly, and if they're oversized then I can't, like, overall it's just not gonna, it doesn't complement my shape or whatever the case may be. But I did a little hack where I put a drawstring on the inside of the pants so that I can adjust it and make it tighter, and it fits a lot better. That's a plus. I'll show you guys how I did it. I have a TikTok video on it as well as a reel, so I'll link both of those videos down below. I think this is super cute. I've styled it two different ways. So I have a cow pattern baguette. I am like obsessed with just cows in a way. Like, I don't know, like when Doja Cat dropped that song, it just, like, something about cows, just like in cow print, it just inspires me. So I had to get me a cow print bag, and baguettes are totally in for the season. Like, it's a part of like that Y2K era, and it's coming back in, so I figured what better time to buy it than for the outfits that I have now. I styled it with the cow print baguette and my UGG slippers that I got, which are the, I think they're called Funkita or Fluffita, and that is like the outfit that I styled. It's kind of like a more laid back, chill, you know, maybe an airport outfit. If I wanted to spruce it up a little bit, like turn it into a day and night outfit, I would throw on some heels. I got these white strappy heels from AliExpress. I'll be putting the exact link down below. I'm not sure the name of them. And then I have got this white baguette. It's like a white crocodile pattern purse, and then it has some gold details on it, which makes it really cute, and it spruces up the outfit a little bit. So that would be my nighttime outfit. Another piece that I got is this nude marble see-through kind of tank top. It's similar to this one, except for the top has like a turtleneckish thing, and the bottom is also lettuce cut like this top. I've seen a lot of people wearing shirts styled like this. Either they'll have like little angels on them, if you know what I'm talking about, or whatever, but I love the style of this shirt, so I had to get it, and I thought it would match perfectly with the corduroy pants. However, when I put them together, it just doesn't go as well, so I might be styling it a little differently. Next up, I got this white super cropped sweater shirt. I was really like interested in purchasing something like this because I have like a lot of bralettes that I think are so cute, but I just never get the opportunity to show them. I mean, I know bralettes are something that's similar to lingerie, but like now a lot of people are turning lingerie into fashion, which makes it super cute. So I wanted to put my own twist on it, so I got this top and I tried to style it with a really cute bra that I had. It was like emerald green bra that had lace at the top. As we all know, I'm a part of the itty bitty titty community, so I tried to pull it off as best I could, and I think it did look super cute with the outfit that I paired it with. I also paired it with a green satchel bag, and it had kind of like a lizard print on it. That green satchel bag was $12. Next up, I have this black rhinestone lace-up crop top. Now I love this. It was so affordable. I actually don't think I will be bringing this on a trip. I might or might not, because I have two different ways I'll style this outfit that you all are gonna see later on. But anyways, I really like this top. I feel like it's still secure even though the whole middle of it is like basically gone. I paired that with some black faux leather split hem pants. Now the split hem pants are kind of baggy around the crotch area, I guess you can say. I think I might have my mom take it in, to be honest, but I thought that those pants were really cute. I don't really have black textured pants like that, so I figured that I might as well get them from SheIn. They were only $16. They're not my favorite of the pair because it just fits me a little odd. It doesn't give me like that great of a shape, but after I do ask my mom to like take them in, then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take them on the trip, because I think they're really cute, and if they did fit me properly, they would probably be my fave out of the bunch. I also styled it with this top. Now it's like a black crop top that comes with, I don't know how to explain it, I'll just show it, but the black crop top that comes with cutouts, I thought it was really cute too. It's a nice play on like a half or a two-piece shirt set, so I thought it complemented the leather pants better than it did with the rhinestone shirt. I don't know, I feel like the rhinestone shirt was like a different texture, a different style, or just too much to be worn with the leather pants, and I feel like this shirt is like very simple but still like a statement, so that when it goes with the leather pants it's not like too much going on. But I styled them with some black heels that I got from AliExpress, which I will be linking down below as well. Next, one of my favorite pieces out of them all, I got this black and white Chinese dragon see-through sheer dress that I really like. I think it complements the green bag perfectly, and I paired them with the black shoes that I got from AliExpress too. But then I'm also like, the dress, as I stated, I'm a petite girl, so it kind of fit me a little bit baggy, and I'm like, it's kind of missing something. Like, I feel like it doesn't give me the full shape that I should be getting. But I also paired it with this sweetheart neck tube top that is of a suede material. Now I thought that was like the perfect addition. It looked so cute with that tube top. And then I got this button-up collared shirt dress. It basically has this detailing where it's like a faux corset, and it scrunches in here to cinch in the waist, and then it like flares out the bottom. You could even wear it on its own. I paired it with this hook and eye corset. I thought that was the perfect thing to add, because even though it does come with its own corset, I felt like it needed like a contrast as opposed to it just being all one color. So the black corset, the black hook and eye corset with it, I think pulled it all together. And I also paired it with these knee-high snakeskin boots that I got from Pretty Little Thing. The boots are almost a little too high, so that like it looks like it might be pants, but I think it was still like a really sexy addition to the outfit to make it more of a nighttime thing. I also got a pair of sunglasses, sunnies. I didn't put it with any of the outfits because I completely forgot about it, but I definitely will be wearing it because, like I said, I've been seeing a lot of people wear and style these sunglasses as like a nice fall addition. So I thought it was really cute to pair with any one of the outfits, because as I said, all my outfits are neutral or like black and white with a little bit of green. All these I'm putting out onto like the steals. Like I got these, everything for under $30. Each item was literally under $30 that I had in this whole entire haul, or like everything that I'm taking to Atlanta is either I already had or I paid under $30 for it. So, and they're still all very cute. Like you can be cute, petite, and affordable all in one. You don't have to splurge and do all of this extraness. I'm showing you guys how I bought my items, how I styled them, so that if you do plan on going out and you want to look cute, you can even go on SheIn or even AliExpress. Make sure for whatever that you purchase, you look at the reviews. Now it'll say it in the description that it's true to size or whatever, but I always look at the photos. How it looks in the photos that people post is how like you would normally get it. When it comes to AliExpress or SheIn, they always have reviews that are like attached to their photos. I mean, that are attached to the items that they're selling. So I always check the reviews and make sure that it looks true to size, that the texture looks how I expect it to, the color and everything. So you're never taken aback or surprised when you get the actual item. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will be posting the links to everything, the SheIn items and the AliExpress items that I purchased, down below. For ATL, I will be posting some get ready with me's. I will be posting a vlog of like what I did in ATL and this video to go along with it. So stay on the lookout. Everything will be coming out, I think, on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay happy, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, week, month, year, everything. Bye, beauties.